Which one of them you want to make me go? And that a be no terror, fabulous horror. And I did all upon the mic, yeah. Me just a leader, just a rocket, so this is war. This is war. I really like dancing. Whoa, let me say, whoa, this is whoa, whoa, this is whoa, whoa, this is whoa, whoa. How are we, Emancipation Boy? You mind if I did a love song? You don't mind?
Sing!
Next year. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, yes, yes. But this is from my baby face. You got a cute baby face. This is from my baby face. Yeah. So many things in common, and the same, yet we are two different people. We just love being around each other, yet we give each other space to grow. Step by step, we are getting stronger. Breath by breath, we are learning by ear. I don't know where this will go, but I'm so glad we are taking it slow. Baby face, you got a cute baby face. This is for my baby face. Yes, yes, take it down. I like to do two of my favorite love songs, which happen to be two of Bob's songs. I wanna love you and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together with the roof right over our heads. We'll share the shelter of my single bed. We'll share the same room, and Jah provide a bread. Is this love? Is this love? Love that I feel. Let me hear Emancipation Park. Love, 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 love that I feel. Turn your lights down low and pull your window curtain. Oh, let your moon come shining into our lives again. 'Cause I wanna give you some love. Hey, let me hear you, Emancipation Park. I wanna give you some good. One more time. I wanna give you some good, good loving. 'Cause this is for my baby face. You got a cute baby face. This is for my baby face. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yes! Let me hear you say, Iran! I stand here as a proud product of the vision of Bob Marley. 44 years ago when I won Tasty Talent Contest, my prize was to record with Tough Gone. I had the honor of meeting and working with him, and he really believed in me. 44 years now, I'm standing, and I feel I do carry his legacy. Give it up for Bob Marley, the beautiful heart that he was. Miss B, Miss Babsy, the Bob I want to do tonight, well, I've done two already, but the one that I chose is some of my favorites because it's a time with the Wailers. And I know you guys know these songs, and we're going to have a Bob party. Who ready for a Bob party with me? Who is ready to have a Bob party with me? Let me hear you say yay! Yeah, jump. Let me hear you say what? We good? All right, let's go. woman who win a joke and she will work the right. You call me on the phone when I want to talk in Asia corner.
And now I want you home.
I told Jackie so she not use no stuff.
Action,
Not a bag of mouth.
sweet.
Love the baby girl them burger.
Action,
Not a bag of mouth.
sweet.
Love the baby girl them burger. I need some action. Say,
Tender satisfaction.
my chemistry is flow. Can you call the chain reaction? I need selection, tender satisfaction. My chemistry is flowing.
Can you cause a change?
Because I make you, but I can know, I can know. She wants to be your bad, but I know. Man, I make you, man, I want to man, I can coming in the vibe, right? Sway, emancipation by everything. Action. So we, take it down. Action. So we, I need some action. Say,
Tender satisfaction.
my chemistry is low. Can you cause a change? I need some action.
Tender satisfaction.
My chemistry is flowing. Can you mix that again? Because I bet you know what I know. You want to make me love. I'm gonna make love to you like a water. How could love and tell you what it is? Sweet, coming in the fire, right? Sweet. Thank you, Emancipation Boy. One night, Marley. Look good, sound good, no long talking, no lippings. What we say? Action, not a bag of mouth. Action, not a bag of mouth. Action. But let me make sure we know she can't pass